Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can do this quick and easy Bambi makeup tutorial for Halloween. First, I'm doing my base by applying my foundation. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows. I use a cool shade of dark brown. I like to start with a little bit of powder, then build it up. Then I go in with my e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer and clean up the shape. I'm going to brighten under my eyes and nose. Now it's time to set everything in place, so I'll be using the Maybelline face powder. Since I'm washing this off after, I didn't use any primer or baking powder, but if you are, I definitely recommend it. I'm using a medium tone eyeshadow from Morphe to create this look. Then I connect the eyeshadow towards my nose as if I'm contouring. I repeat the same step on the other eye before moving to the bottom of the nose. After everything is blended, I'm going in and cutting my crease. A little tip that I learned is that instead of swiping the brush, I like to tap it because it gives more control and it's less messy. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going with a very pale whitish beige color and applying to the cut crease. Once that's done, I use the e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer and the end of my brush to create this little dots. You can also use white face paint, but I didn't have any, so I'm improvising. After I created the little dots, I'm going to add some eyeliner. You can either use black or brown. I think the brown suits me better, so that's what I'm going for. Then I'm popping on some lashes. I recommend using eyelashes for this look to make your eyes pop. I'm using these 3 colors from Benefit Cosmetic. I'm mixing them up to create a warm bronzed look. The key is to really build it up slowly. Then I'm going in with 2 different size brushes and creating more dots. Now I'm doing my lips and I'm using my eyeliner. I am prominently outlining the top lip and only slightly the bottom. I'm using my finger to blend it out. Then I go in with my concealer brush and clean any smudges. Once it's clean, I add my gloss. And for the final touches, I'm outlining the inner corner of my eyes and under eye. Now it's time to do my hair. I'm just putting it up in 2 little pigtails. For this look, I would recommend curling your hair, and for the outfit, you could wear a brown jumpsuit, dress, or even a brown 2-piece. This tutorial is perfect for last-minute Halloween costume ideas. It's also very budget-friendly since you can improvise like I did and use whatever you have at home. And we are all done. Look how cute this makeup look is. I decided to pair up this makeup look with a brown jumpsuit and cute little booties. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any other videos you would like to see.